If you're in real estate and looking to build a team, I have something that's great for your marketing. It's low efficient and high efficient and low cost. Let's get into it. So the site is called Now Site, and what they have is called now is Salesflow. What Salesflow does? Well, matter of fact, let me show you what Salesflow does. Salesflow is a targeting system that targets let's put potential business or potential clients that you can do. It's quick and as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now it's very cost effective versus Facebook, uh, Google, Instagram, anything that you use to promote your business. Now you can still use those tools, but this tool might be a little more proficient. Let's go here. Now it pops up target. Zaria Moore. So this person is in South Florida and they're in real estate. And as you can see, they have different areas here. So we're going to go to Salesflow and we're going to actually launch. Now, I usually use LinkedIn versus Messenger or email because Messenger, if the person doesn't know you, they might not accept it. They might not even read it. And emails, that can go to your spam, or if the person doesn't know you, they're not going to want to reach out. So always put it in LinkedIn. Go to LinkedIn. Now, you can type them a message, a personalized message, or you can use a message from the back center here that's been proven to work. So these are been back texted, and what you see down here is how you connect. So you're going to connect with them, but you want to have a more direct approach. And I always like to use this one. Now they do have different ones where you can follow up. There's the follow up messages. There's the connect friendlies. They have different messages, but you can also write your own here. So I am going here. And then I am just going to actually just copy that. Let's get that, paste here, delete that, and here, delete that. Okay, so, and also you can add an attachment. So say you want somebody to look at a website or look at a video, look at something, brochure or anything, online brochure or anything, you will put the link there and then you also name it. I'm not going to do that for this video, but you can also do it. You can check here, or you can just copy the link and paste it. So we're not going to do that because I want to build rapport first before I start sending links. So this is real estate. Now they'll tell you on LinkedIn how to connect, because some people have their stuff private or they don't want you to message them, but if they got their message locked, so you just simply go to LinkedIn. This lady's message is locked, so you'll go here, you'll click a follow, and then you want to connect with them. When you connect with them, always leave a note. Hi, I'm here to expand my network with fellow professionals who would love to learn what you do and see if we can support each other. Cheers. Simple as that. Do that. Boom. You're done. Okay. So say also, okay, you sent this message successfully. You want to follow up, or you want to build rapport with them. Maybe give them a week or a couple days to view your message, and then what you want to do is always add a note so you know which person. So I'm going to put real estate here, only because I'm not really in real estate, but I might need the contact. So book them. Alright, let's do it again. So this is for real estate again. We're going to do real estate professionals. But let's see, real estate professionals, let's do a certain area. So you can do a city. So let's say you're in Dallas and you're looking for real estate professionals. Okay, put that there. You're gonna do it by company if you wanted to do a company, by field. So if you're looking for a stager, if you're looking for a contractor, you're looking for a closer, you're looking for a title person, you can put that there. But I'm just gonna keep flowing here. So no one in the Dallas area. Let's see. I'm gonna turn off advanced targeting. Let's just go Texas. So bam, someone in Texas right here. Pillar to post home inspectors. They have different inspectors there. He's a house inspector. So let's launch Salesflow. You go here. You're on LinkedIn. Type your message. I'm not really into real estate, but I'm just going to keep him in my network just in case I do need him. Send there. His message is locked, so you can go follow there. And then you can connect with them. You can add your own note there. Tell them that you're a real estate professional looking to build your business. I'm really not there. And there you go. And you go back to Now site. Now you do get 100 leads for $49 a month, which is phenomenal. I mean, for that price on Facebook, you may only get like 20 eyeballs, even if they put it in right in front of the right people. You're not gonna get that kind of generation there. So you do that, and then you book them just as a follow up, and then you can also do it again. So this is a great tool if you're looking to build your business, your book of business for your real estate. You can also put your contractor there instead of real estate. You can put contractor. You can put real estate. Here, let's do this. Let's go in here and let's see how easy it is. Actually, I want to go back. I don't want to use that contact. I want to go here, edit my. And I want to put real estate investor. So look, if say you're a person looking for a fellow investor. So I'm gonna put investor. I'm gonna go here. Just in Texas, which I don't want to put Texas, but if you were in Texas, bam, you got somebody here, and they're a real estate investor. Let's make sure that they're real estate investors. Launch Salesflow. Bam, LinkedIn. I don't need to send the attachment. Actually, I will. Copy the attachment. Paste. Send. Go here. His message is locked. Click for follow. Here. Notes. Looking to expand on business. To hear more about yours and make it look professional. Just hit let's put this in contacts. Now if I want to put that there, I can put my link there if I wanted to, but there, and go back to Now site, and it is done. Follow up. Real estate. Boom. Man, that simple, guys. Took me literally 3 minutes to do that. So if you're interested in this, I can leave a link for you.